Have you ever noticed how the advice for making money online changes completely every single year? A few years ago, everyone was talking about drop shipping and crypto and building massive software companies. But if you look closely at what is happening right now in 2026, a massive, silent shift has occurred. The old playbooks are completely broken because artificial intelligence has made basic digital tasks virtually free. If you try to compete by writing generic blog posts or doing basic graphic design, you are going to get crushed by a machine that works for pennies. But this technological earthquake has actually created a beautiful, hidden opportunity for people who know exactly where to look. The smartest minds are not trying to fight the algorithms. They are quietly building entirely new income streams that rely on uniquely human traits that cannot be automated. In this video, we are going to explore the exact strategies that smart people are using to build wealth this year. We will look at how the value of information has plummeted and what people are actually paying for instead. The first secret relies on a completely misunderstood concept about how we actually use modern technology. Chapter 1: The Artificial Intelligence Orchestrator. The biggest mistake most people make right now is thinking they need to learn how to code or build their own artificial intelligence models. That is a game for billionaires and massive tech corporations. The real money for regular, smart people is in becoming an artificial intelligence orchestrator. Right now, thousands of small businesses have access to incredible AI tools, but they have absolutely no idea how to connect them together to actually save time. They are overwhelmed by the options and terrified of making a mistake. You can step into this massive gap by learning how to link a customer service chatbot directly to their inventory system and their email marketing software. You do not need to invent the technology. You just need to be the conductor who makes all the different instruments play a beautiful song together. By setting up these automated workflows, you can easily charge a monthly maintenance fee just to keep the system running smoothly. It is an incredibly lucrative service because you are directly saving business owners dozens of hours every single week. But understanding technology is only half the battle, because the internet is currently facing a massive crisis of authenticity. Chapter 2: The Premium Trust Economy. Because artificial intelligence can generate thousands of articles and videos in a matter of seconds, the internet is rapidly drowning in a sea of infinite generic content. It is becoming impossible to know what is actually real and what is completely fabricated by a machine. This chaos has birthed the premium trust economy. In 2026, information is completely free and completely abundant, but trust is incredibly rare and highly expensive. Smart people are realizing that consumers will gladly pay a premium for verified human curation. Instead of trying to create more noise, they are building highly curated paid newsletters and private research groups. You essentially act as a trusted human filter for a specific industry or hobby. Your audience pays you not for the raw information, but for the absolute certainty that a real human being has verified and organized that information into something useful. You become a digital lighthouse in a storm of fake news. Building this kind of deep trust takes significant time and extreme consistency, but it creates an incredibly loyal customer base that machines cannot steal. This human element is also driving the most surprising wealth trend of the year. Chapter 3: The Analog Arbitrage. While millions of young entrepreneurs are fighting over tiny digital margins on the internet, the truly smart money is quietly moving entirely offline. We are seeing a massive resurgence in what economists call analog arbitrage. For the last decade, everyone wanted to be a software developer or a digital nomad. This created a massive shortage of intelligent people building unsexy physical businesses. There is an absolute fortune to be made right now by applying basic modern software principles to traditional local services. Think about specialized commercial cleaning or boutique landscaping or mobile auto detailing. Most of these local businesses still use paper invoices and rarely answer their phones. If you buy or start a boring local business and simply add automated text message booking and a clean, modern website, you will immediately dominate the local market. You are taking the extreme efficiency of the digital world and applying it to physical services that artificial intelligence can never replace. People will always need their lawns mowed and their pipes fixed. By blending digital marketing with physical labor, you create a highly defensive business model that prints money regardless of what the tech industry is doing. Chapter 4. The Done-for-You Pivot. Just a few years ago, the easiest way to make money was to package your knowledge into an online course and sell it to thousands of people. But the market for educational information has completely crashed because people can just ask an artificial intelligence to teach them the exact same concepts for free. Smart creators have recognized this shift and executed the done-for-you pivot. People no longer want to pay to learn how to do a complicated task because they are completely exhausted and overwhelmed. They want to pay someone a premium price to just do the task for them. Instead of selling a cheap course on how to optimize a YouTube channel, you sell a highly expensive service where you actually manage and optimize the channel for the client. The profit margins transition from high-volume, low-ticket sales to high-volume, high-ticket consulting. You only need a handful of wealthy clients to build a massive income. This pivot requires you to take extreme ownership of the final result, but it completely separates you from the automated competition. The next strategy involves changing how we actually view our personal history. Chapter 5. The Personal Data Dividend. One of the most fascinating new ways to generate income involves monetizing something you already own, but probably ignore. As massive tech companies desperately search for high-quality human data to train their new models, they have realized that generic internet data is no longer good enough. They need highly specific and verified human experiences. This has created a new marketplace for the personal data dividend. Smart individuals are carefully organizing their proprietary workflows and their specialized industry knowledge and their unique creative processes into structured databases. They are then licensing this highly organized personal data to specific AI startups. For example, if you have spent 10 years writing highly converting sales emails, you possess a unique data set that a marketing AI desperately needs to study. By legally structuring and licensing your professional brain, you create a completely passive income stream. You are no longer just selling your time, you are essentially renting out your unique human perspective to train the next generation of software. This is a highly advanced strategy, but it perfectly illustrates the importance of building a diverse set of income streams. Chapter 6. The Anti-Fragile Portfolio. The old model of relying on a single salary from a massive corporation is now widely considered the most dangerous financial strategy possible. Companies are laying off thousands of white-collar workers as software becomes more capable. To survive and thrive, you must build an anti-fragile portfolio of income. This concept comes from the philosopher Nassim Taleb, and it means building a system that actually gets stronger when chaotic events happen. Smart people in 2026 don't just have one job. They have a core consultant contract that pays the main bills. They also have a small physical business that generates local cash flow, and they might have a paid digital newsletter that scales infinitely. By aggressively diversifying how you earn money, you completely remove the fear of suddenly losing your livelihood. If a new software destroys your consulting gig, your physical business and your newsletter will keep you perfectly safe. This approach requires intense organization and a willingness to constantly learn new skills. You have to treat yourself like an investment fund, allocating your time across different risk profiles to guarantee your long-term survival. Chapter 7. The Focus Monopoly. The final and perhaps most important way smart people are securing their wealth has absolutely nothing to do with technology or business models. It is entirely about mastering your own biology. We are currently living in an attention economy where billion-dollar algorithms are actively trying to distract you every single second of the day. The ability to sit in a quiet room and do deep, meaningful work for 3 uninterrupted hours has become a literal superpower. You can build a focus monopoly simply by training your brain to ignore the constant digital noise. While your competitors are endlessly scrolling through short-form videos and destroying their dopamine receptors, you are quietly building complex systems and reading difficult books. This raw ability to concentrate is the foundation of every other strategy we have discussed today. You cannot orchestrate software or build a physical business if you cannot control your own attention span. Wealth in 2026 will heavily flow to the individuals who ruthlessly protect their mental energy and direct it towards solving difficult problems. If you can master the art of intense focus, you will absolutely dominate the new economy.